Okay guys, if you have a plan to buy this type of bird cage, a collapsible bird cage, color black, please beware of this store. I don't recommend that store because they don't even put a fragile tape or a bubble wrap on that box. So look what happened. I received a damaged item. I don't want this cage to be sent back to the seller because it came from China and now I'm live in Philippines, and look the deformation of this cage. And they said after reviewing this on the screen, look, after they review the picture, they don't wanna refund it. I don't want to send or refund this item. I just complain what happened because they don't put fragile tape or bubble wrap so that the logistic will aware. I can't blame the logistic here because this is from China. It went many logistic or travel far away to came here in Philippines. So look, some of this side is damaged. I'm gonna show you later on what this actual after we repair this one. I'm gonna put an unsag epoxy here and then I'm gonna rebend or fix this. And then I'm gonna put these two nest box I made on the top because I'm put inside of this cage zebra pinches, 2 pair zebra pinches. So I think this cage is enough. And then I'm searching this type of cage on our country here or city. I don't even see this type of cage. It's color black so that we can see clearly what inside. So I choose color black. I just disappointed on the seller. I don't recommend that seller if you want to buy this type of cage from Lazada or Shopee. Sorry for my bad English. So this is only the box, no bubble wrap and no fragile tape. So expect damage. The size of this is 85 by 58 and 40. And this is a collapsible. They include the lock. Although all the parts is complete, but only the box has no fragile tape or bubble wrap. So I received a damaged item. So I'm gonna show you what is the actual size now or after we put the nest box. Okay.